Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will show you how to install Java Development Kit or JDK. You can easily download the setup from Google. After downloading, double click on the setup. Click on next. If you wish to change the destination folder, click on change, otherwise click on next. The by default directory is program files. Click on next. Wait a few moments, it will take some time. Click on next. If you wish to check tutorial online, click on next steps, otherwise click on close. JDK have been successfully installed on your computer, but it did not work properly. To check, go to CMD, Java, type Java C. Look at here. Why it does not work? Because the environment have been not set properly. In my next video I will set the environment for JDK. Please subscribe to watch. Thank you for watching.